Good morning, kids. I'm Mohana Rani, your computer teacher. Hope you all are well and fine, safe at home. Be safe, wear your mask while coming out. Okay, now in this session, we are going to learn our new lesson. Okay, our new lesson, that is input and output unit. Okay, input and output unit. Okay, what is input? Input is nothing but whatever we type and convey our messages to computer, that is input. Okay, to type we use keyboard, okay, and mouse. To click we use mouse. Okay, these are all inputs. So input is nothing but on which way we are trying to communicate with the computer is called as input. Okay, and what is output? What output is the result what computer is giving after processing is called as output. Very simple. Okay, computer, how computer will communicate with us? By showing result with a monitor. So monitor is output. Okay, by showing giving printout, so printer is a output. Okay, so these are all an output devices. Monitor is an output device, and printer is a input device, sorry, output device. Okay, so these are all. Okay, so whatever we communicate with the computer, okay, what which devices, with which part of a computer we use, that is called input devices. Okay, and with which devices the computer is showing the result to us. Okay, that is called output devices. Okay, now we'll see detailedly one by one after one, with many more examples. Okay, the session going to be very exacting. Okay, okay, before moving on to the lesson, we will have a small introduction. The content which is given in your book, that only I am reading here. Okay, introduction. We can make computer work by giving commands. Okay, by giving commands. What does command mean? Command means you're asking the computer to play some music, or you're giving some question, numerical question to computer, and you're asking the computer to calculate it. So, okay, command is nothing but you're asking the computer for some help. Okay, you're asking computer to do some help for you. Okay, that is called as command. Okay, command. Then these commands are known as input. Okay, these commands are known as input. Okay, so if I ask what is 2 plus 3, then that is a input. Okay, if I ask what is 2 plus 3 with the computer, I used to type in the keyboard and ask, then it is an input. Okay, what is an input? Input is nothing but the question what we ask to computer, okay, is called input. Okay, then computer obey the commands input and gives the answer, isn't it? Computer obeys a command, it helps us. Whatever question we ask, the computer will give us the answer and gives the answer. That is called as result. Okay, the result is known as output. Okay, the answer is known as the output. Okay, output is nothing but the computer showing the result or giving us a printout, that is called as output. Okay, the computer has different units to carry out and carry out input and output operations. Okay, to do input, to do output, we have so many devices. Okay, to do input we are using keyboard, mouse, okay, and all. And to give output, okay, the computer is using monitor and printer and so on. Okay, not only these four, we have so many other devices too for input and outputs. For example, if I use scanner, scanner is nothing but I'm scanning a photograph. Okay, or scanning a document, so that is also input. Okay, and like this we have many devices apart from the basic devices. The basic one is for input mouse and keyboard, and output is the monitor and printer. Okay, so these are the basic input and output devices. Okay, we will see some other two in this lesson. Okay, now see here, what is input output? Okay, what is give the input and output for the following. Okay, I told you input is nothing but you are giving to computer. Okay, you are asking, or you are giving some instructions to the computer. Okay, and the result, what is the machine giving you? Okay, what the computer is giving you, that is output, isn't it? Okay, so likewise you can see orange. Okay, you can see orange. The orange is what? The orange is input. Okay, the orange is or an input. Okay, the same way, to process into the blender, to process into the blender is called what? This is a juicer is processing, adding with sugar and orange pulp all together. If you mix it, then the processor is processing, juicer is mixing all it together. Then the final one, after processing the juice, what we get is output. Okay, so the juice what we get in a tumbler, drinkable, okay, that is output. Okay, the oranges, cut oranges are input, and the juice is output. Okay, now I think you all would have understood very clearly. Okay, next, the same way we are going to have another example too. In this example, the CD what you are going to insert into your DVD player is input, isn't it? The CD is what? This is a input device. Okay, then the player which is rotating the CD in order to play music, then that is called process. Okay, the DVD is doing, means it is processing the work. Okay, so DVD player is acting as a processing device here. Okay, then the result what you see in the computer, sorry, in the in the TV, okay, that is output. Okay, that is output. Okay, now read the thing given. Similarly, computer uses keyboard as input. Okay, instead of CD we will use keyboard. Okay, so keyboard is acting as input and monitor as output unit. Okay, monitor as an output unit. Okay, now you all would have understood what is input, what is output. Okay, so that these are all the things. Okay, if you communicate with the computer, that is input. If the computer is communicating with you, that is called as output. Okay, the devices what you all are using, okay, that is called as input devices and output devices. Okay, have you all understood, kids? Have you all understood? Okay, shall we move on to next slide? Here you can see input unit. Okay, what is input unit? I told you the devices what are all we are using to give commands to computer. Okay, to give commands to computer. Okay, those are called input units or input devices. Okay, input unit is a unit that is used to give command, that is input, to the computer. Okay, we are using keyboard, so by typing keyboard 2 plus 3 is what? Then that is you are using, your typing. Okay, you are asking question using keyboard, so keyboard is a input unit. Okay, that is keyboard is a input unit. You may ask, what is date today? What is the day today? What is the date today? Will it rain or not today? How the weather condition is today? Everything, whatever you think, whatever the answer you want, everything can be typed. See, the keyboard all has all alphabetic keys, and it also has all number keys, okay, and it also has all functional keys, okay. So everything the keyboard has, all keys, all sort of keys are there present in the keyboard, okay. So whatever question you want, you can ask, okay. Now suppose I don't want to ask any question, I want to open a program, or I want to play a particular music in the computer, then what I'll use mouse, okay. I'll just take my mouse pointer to the place where the audio file is present, and I will double click on it, the music would be played for me, isn't it? So here the mouse is acting as input device, okay. Here the mouse is acting as an input device. So what are all we use generally? Keyboard and mouse, okay. Keyboard to type and ask, keyboard is to type and ask, and mouse is to point and click, okay. These are all the devices we use as input unit, okay. Have you all understood, kids? Okay, have you all understood? Now we will move on to next slide, that is output unit. See here, as I told you in the beginning, okay, while explaining the heading, title of the lesson itself, I told you what is input and output. That time also I told you output, we use monitor and printer as a output devices, okay, as an output devices. See here, output unit is a unit that shows the result, okay. Either it will show you the result in the monitor, or it will give you printout by using printer, isn't it? Okay, so these are all output units, okay. That is output devices, otherwise it is called as output devices, okay. So monitor, if I ask you what is what is the day today, then it will show me Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, whatever the day, present day, it will show me through monitor, okay. It will show me in the monitor. Then same way, if I ask can you give me the printout of the numerics whatever I am typing, let's take I'm asking 2 plus 3 is what, 3 plus 8 is what, 14 plus 13 is what, whatever I am asking the question, everything you wanted to have a document, you want to have a printed result in a paper, then the computer will use printer, okay. Then the computer will use the printer, okay. Understand you all? Okay, have you all understood? Okay, now shall we move on to the next slide, that is, see here in this slide we are having some pictures, okay. We are having some pictures, we have to spot out something. What is that? Can keyboard accept the following things? Right, yes or no? Can keyboard accept the following things? Right, say yes or no, okay. See here, the if you give a flower, okay, to a computer, will the computer accept? Will the computer will accept? It will give hand outside the monitor and will take back the flower what you are giving. Will it do like this? No, isn't it? It won't accept. Instead of this, if you give a alphabet A B C D and all, if you type, yes, of course it will take, okay, it will accept, okay. Now I would like to give my school back to my computer, is it possible? Okay, is it possible? Because the computer also is going for the school, it is used in school also, okay. But if I want to give my school back, will it accept? No, right, it won't accept, okay. I am very I love my computer a lot, so I want to give my cake to my computer, will it accept? No, it will not accept, because it is a machine, it won't eat, okay. Then the next one is, I'm asking some question with the computer, that is, what is 2 plus 2? Okay, what is 2 plus 2? Will it accept? Yes, definitely it will accept. Okay, definitely it will accept. Now I want to point some program or open some program, or I want to write some document. So can I use my regular pen where I'm using it in my textbook or a notebook? The same pen can I use with monitor? No, I cannot. Okay, there is a special pen for computer, okay, that is called as light pen, that we can use. But the normal pen what we are using in to write in the book and classwork, that we cannot use. Okay, so these are all the things. Okay, shall we move on to the next slide? Okay, here you can see I want to play piano to my computer. Okay, I want to play piano to my computer. Will it accept? No, computer will not listen any music. Okay, if you want, it will play music for you. Okay, it will play music for you. If you ask the computer to ask some piano music from the net, okay, it will definitely. But playing in front of the computer, I'm playing for you a piano music, you listen and enjoy, these are all not possible. Okay, computer will not accept. Okay, now I want to do some numerics. Okay, I want to type something 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, add and tell me. No, it will, sorry, it will accept. Okay, it will accept and it will give you the answer. Okay, all alphabets and numerics it will accept. Okay, then I am very lovable towards my computer, so I would like to give my ice cream. So is it possible? Will it eat your ice cream? No, it will not eat your ice cream, as it is a machine. Okay, as it is a machine. Okay, now I want to type class 1, and class section, okay, with my computer, or want to take printout. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Either you want to show on the monitor also, it is possible, or if you want to take a printout through printer, it is also possible. Okay, so these are all the pictures. Okay, then in this, here you can see computer what and all accept. It accepts alphabets, and it accepts numerical mathematical questions. It accepts numbers. It accepts alphanumeric, that is alphabetic and numeric both together, alphanumeric. So computer accepts all these together. Okay, and we have a small recap. Okay, we saw introduction, then we saw the orange juice, making of orange juice. In this process, oranges are acting like input, and the juice what we get finally is output. Okay, the same way the CD what you are ready to insert into a device, that is DVD player, here the CD is acting as input device, and the TV what you see the picture, okay, through the DVD player, that is the TV is called as output device, known as output device. Okay, the same way the units, what are all the units we saw? We saw keyboard and mouse are input units. Okay, keyboard and mouse are input units. Okay, the same way, if you see, the monitor and printer are output units. The monitor and printers are output units. Okay, and we saw some pictures, and we identified what are all the computer will accept and what are all the computer will not accept. Okay, so now that's all for this session. We have come to the end of this session, kids. Okay, so we will meet in next class. Okay, go through the lesson video again and again regularly. We will meet in next class. Okay, kids, bye.